So my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. And you know it continue. And today we are at Somerset Crossroads in Trinityville. That's where them gonna join the Asphalt Paving. Okay, viewers and subscribers, because remember it come from Cedar Valley. So it don't finish the whole entire Cedar Valley, but them starting from here, so I go join from Somerset Crossroads and they will take it from here to Cedar Valley. Okay, viewers and subscribers, so as you can see, this is a brand new piece of asphalt paving what I'm going to start. And now, viewers, so in order for see it, you know, you got to continue watch the video and you will see everything. So the development of St. Thomas continue, viewers and subscribers. Bless up to each and everyone that playing their part by growing this channel. And know from strength to strength, and we start power zero. As you can see, line up everything, I line up. Truck organize himself, the driver organize himself to get into the mixer up here. So let's continue watching the video, man, and I'm going to see everything in the viewers. Yeah. The next thing again in the enter you find yourself, I do some working at some clusters here. Some here that cluster up and where the lots of traffic them is. Then you find say it kinda got difficult for the workman to really perform the work how them should want or it should perform. You understand? Because right here is very small now. Very small, the road here is very narrow and it cannot widen no more. So you got to take what you get out here, so right now. So, and vehicle pass. So just hopefully the pianos get rid of right here so and pass here, so and then can have a smooth sailing going up more the road. But right here, so now I know it go kind of difficult for them with the traffic. But just hopefully everything runs smooth and nice. Same thing we are telling about the small area with the traffic, so it start already. So it start already, viewers and subscribers. The traffic and the place is so small. This is Somerset Crossroads in St. Thomas, Trinityville. Yeah, it's so small. That small crossroad is very small. Crossroad get congested, man. Whole traffic and the place small. Yes, my family, so my viewers and my subscribers. As you can see, the gentleman them finish off the square in a style, which is Somerset Crossroad, you know. Yeah, cause right here, so the asphalt stop, you know, right at Somerset Crossroad. So what am I doing now? Them I take it from here, so and bring it go right at Michael Black, because coming from Cedar Valley, the asphalt paving stop at Michael Black Farm. So them I take it from here, so now I'm gonna join it and to Mr. Black Farm right up here, so. So I understand. If you don't know Cedar Valley, you know exactly where I'm talking. So that's what they are doing, viewers and subscribers, family sub. So just continue your journey with me and then you will see everything. Okay, viewers? Bless up to each and everyone again that playing their part by growing this channel. Remember, at zero we start from, sky is the limit. Bless up. And as you can see, we are on our way to 5K. So journey with me, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, bless up on yourself. So as I said, the development of St. Thomas continue. Viewers, family subscribers, speak up on yourself. Yeah, man, if you want to subscribe to the channel, you will get notified every time that you drop a video as a community start to be developed. Yeah, man, you will get notified, man. Okay, so just continue a journey with me. Bless upon yourself. This are wall limit to the road. So as you can see, the place is so small, so the man them cannot get for work comfortable as how them should work. You know what I say? But at least them still carry on them work and they do the thing as a professional. You understand me I say? Yeah, some people that complain and grumble and etc. But them not grumble and them not complain. You get what I say? Them still doing them work. So bless up to each and everyone. Again, yeah man, Trinityville is up and ready. You see here, so here's the place I come like it remind me of a place when I go into watching him, Firm Gully. The sunlight not really shine here, so it's fun, you know. Yeah, so I guess them should have trimmed down them tree and should have trimmed up them place, like light coming at the place. I get to me and say viewers, yeah man, them type of tree are gonna make the place kinda get cool and cluster and kinda quick for, you know me I say, make the road deteriorate and mash up and all them something because it now gonna get no sunlight. So if rain should fall and the place wet, it's gonna be wet for a long period of time before it dry. So that will make the road quicker to get damaged and mash up. You get what I say, viewers? So I guess them should have trim. They have some. I guess them should go through and do this and do some bushing, you know. Yeah, man. From Cedar Valley side, from Somerset Crossroads to Cedar Valley side, do some bushing straight along. Don't wait for JPS to do that. Cause JPS normally do it sometime of the year, yes. But don't wait for JPS because there's a lot of part on the road. If you check it out, I tell you, well dark all the middle day, cause no sun no shine there, so. So what you think about that, viewers and subscribers? Speak your mind in the comment section. Anyway, I talk about yes, sir. As I can see, yeah man, no sunlight not really shine us for fun. Barely I come through the bushes them as I can look down on the ground and see. You understand me, viewers? Yes, so that is a kind of darky, but hope you enjoy it. So when you talk about road to widen, there are certain places that not gonna widen or cannot widen, like even here, so as example. So you look on this piece of wall here, so they have to take what them get here, so that cause the place more combusted, you know, because through them cannot get the width what them want to get. So the place small. Yeah man, Somerset Crossroads, it's so small. As two vehicles come inside, it full up. But anyway, you're gonna bring it to the make you see what I'm going. I get to myself, viewers. So big up to each and everyone. Continue watch the video and bless up. Yes, my viewers. So now we bring it to the make you see the asphalt has now passed Somerset Crossroad, heading to Cedar Valley. So now that you see that, I know that, viewers. So it's all about now that you come to the end of another video, you know. So if you're new and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much for subscribing. If you leave a like, thank you very much for liking my video, man. You leave a comment, yes, that's where you should get active down in the comment section. You watch out the ads, see me. Bless up, man. Thanks for doing so. So we say now that you come to the end of another video, you know. See you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel upon the gravel. I'm out.